In this video, I'll show you how to create the custom cable in the Stargaze shawl. This custom cable uses 8 stitches and results in the 2 outermost stitches crossing upwards and to the left, and the center 6 stitches staying in pattern. To create the custom cable, you'll need 2 cable needles or 1 cable needle and a locking stitch marker. To create this custom cable, slip 1 stitch to a cable needle or to a locking stitch marker. Hold this 1 stitch to the front of the work. Slip the next 6 stitches to a cable needle. And hold that to the back of the work. Knit the next stitch on the left needle. From the back cable needle, work a purl, 4 knit stitches, and then another purl stitch. Knit 1 stitch from the front cable needle, or pick up the stitch from your locking stitch marker and knit it. This creates an 8-stitch cable where the outermost stitches are crossed and the point points upwards and to the left. The center stitches remain in pattern. Let me show you that 2 more times. Slip 1 stitch to cable needle 1 or a locking stitch marker and hold it to the front of the work. Slip the next 6 stitches to cable needle 2 and hold that to the back of the work. Knit 1 stitch from the left needle. From the cable needle, work a purl, four knits, and another purl. From cable needle 1 or your locking stitch marker, knit 1 stitch. Let's go over that once more. Slip 1 stitch to cable needle 1 or a locking stitch marker and hold it to the front of the work. Slip the next 6 stitches to cable needle 2 and hold it to the back. Knit 1 stitch from the left hand needle. From cable needle 2, purl 1 stitch, knit 4 stitches, and purl 1 stitch. Knit 1 stitch from cable needle 1 or the locking stitch marker. And that's how you create the custom 8-stitch cable for the Stargaze shawl.